One of the things that we're known for is the out-of-the-box thinking when it comes to designing sophisticated backpacks and sling bags. But what really sets us apart is the ability to adapt to your specific needs and how seamlessly they transition from work to play and even travel. Diving into our latest collection, we've taken our design philosophy to the next level. That is to create a logical combination of simplicity and versatility that speaks to you. With Via, we wanted to capture the beauty of simplicity. We kept the look sleek and minimalistic, while adding a touch of the outdoors to balance that urban vibe. This collection is packed with thoughtful features that we are known for, like the magnetic side pockets that make it easy to access your most frequently used items, smoothly and intuitively. And our signature transformative design allows you to switch between different forms and capacities. We've developed an eco fabric with our yarn mills, which is lightweight, durable, and can handle a drizzle or two. The fabric is garment washed to bring out the textures that were uniquely formed during the process. We wanted this collection to look less like a functional tool, but an accessory that reflects your style. Join us on this journey as we continue to elevate and innovate. Because when it comes to our products, it's not just about style. It's about having your back every step of the way.